December 23rd. It's a beautiful day back at the beach, and thought I'd talk about life, because my thing is about extending lifespan. When I wrote the Phoenix Protocol, because I found out about dry fasting, I found out that dry fasting turns on endogenous stem cell release. So you can regenerate your stem cells, which, unlike your somatic cells, have telomerase active in them so that they can become any cell they need and stay there and behave like an immortal cell. The problem with somatic cells is the problem with the lifespan we currently have. As you probably know, not too many people decide not to eat during length of time. Except, of course, at night when they sleep, because you're not eating or drinking then. You're actually doing a mini dry fast. So, the problem with somatic cells is the problem with telomeres. Telomeres are these 6 amino acid repeating codes on the end of your chromosomes that allow your chromosomes to unzip, like you can see here, duplicate themselves and create a new cell. Which is great, except in normal, healthy human somatic cells, that limit is about 30 times. That cell can divide itself 30 times, which gives you quite a bit of margin. About 70 to 90 years. Because you don't stop eating. So what we found, if you want to extend a lifespan, you got to bring in new troops. The only way to do that is to activate your stem cells. You know, you kind of do it every time you hurt yourself. You break a bone, you cut yourself. You can't injure yourself enough to have an endogenous system-wide stem cell regeneration. That's the problem. Now, there are some ways that you can help extend your life a little bit with the somatic cells by taking Visitin to kill your senescent cells off, taking resveratrol to activate NAD+, so that your sirtuins work, so you can fix the damage as it happens. There's a lot of problems, if you see in this chart. As we age, we lose our levels of NAD. Probably because it's being used for other things to keep these senescent cells alive. So you need to get rid of senescent cells. You need to prevent the creation of senescent cells. And that's what the Visitin or resveratrol protocols do, which is cool. You know, once a year you do a 5 or 7 day dry fast. I prefer a 7. And you end up with a whole body regeneration. So, the Phoenix Protocol is all about dry fasting and all the great benefits. Neogenesis is all about what you do in between dry fasts. You can't dry fast all year long. It's a series. So we have this 1-2 punch against aging. Neogenesis shows you how to exercise 3 to 5 minutes a day to build muscle and bone strength, because you can't do one without the other. And that prevents osteopenia and osteoporosis, and you live longer. Because you're not weak and frail and fall over something. The idea here is a lot of the things that are causing the aging is from the bad foods and the metabolic byproducts that never get, released. Because some of these things just can't be fixed during a nightly sleep period. So in a sense, you have a big bag tied over your back, and you keep stuffing toxins in there. Can't get rid of them because they accumulate over and over and over. When you haul that albatross around your body all your life, it wears you out. You've got to get rid of that stuff. And that's what the dry fasting does. I suggest dry fasting for one of the major reasons. It gets rid of all stored toxins. All these deep toxic wells of poisons finally get to come out. Boy, do they. Any of you who have been on this site before and have done some dry fasting know all about this. But if you're new here, dry fasting is a way to rapidly heal a lot of stuff that's wrong with you. We don't specifically use that for the Phoenix Protocol. We use the Phoenix Protocol for the stem cell regeneration. But it's just out of hand, things can fix. Happened to me the first time I did it. That's what got me into it. Nagging issues that were fixed in 3 days on a dry fast. They've been going on for years. It's a medical industry not being able to do it. So, here's where we are. I invite you to view my channel, like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and get the books. Venus Vertical and Neogenesis. You're going to drive fast, you're going to take care of yourself, and you'll be a lot better off this year. This could be the year you start turning your life around, because you'll start turning your health around. Yeah, it's pretty simple. You know, if you can do all these regimes, eating this and eating that, and exercising that, ineffectively, how can eating more stuff fix the problem that was caused by eating? Maybe what you need to do is not eat. You know, Hippocrates said, sometimes the best remedy is to do nothing. That's right.
Yes?
Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.